Why you shouldn't use color by yourself? Okay, look at here. This is a project. It's in WinCC SCADA and it's a complete mess. I don't like it. There are lots of colors and it's really ugly. But let me show you my project. This is my project. It's for drilling, for oil and gas. As you can see, we are so smooth in color and it's really nice and easy. Or let me show you another one on HMI. This is another project that I use it for mud hub for drilling. As you can see, we have something smooth here about coloring. So it's really important that you don't choose color. So what is the solution? This website. You will go to Color Hunt. As you can see, there are lots of palettes here that you can choose for your project. And for example, there is a body that say, I want to use red color. It's really important for me that you use red color in your project, in your WinCC. Okay, in search bar, just add the red. For example, here we have lots of palettes that all of them have reds. And here, for example, you can use gray one, okay? And therefore, you can use all of these palettes that they have red and gray. Have a good time and like this video.